Welcome back, it's Racerx, and today I'm actually putting some break-in miles on the Demon. You see it right there behind me, and I stopped into my dealership, courtesy Dodge Jeep Chrysler Ram in Tampa. I'm gonna use one of their Scatpacks as just sort of a backdrop because I just called Direct Connection yesterday. So many of you guys have been messaging me, hey, are the 392 stage kits going to be coming out? What's going on with Direct Connection? Do they have other stuff coming down the pipe? Well, I have some answers for you guys. I want to dispel any of the rumors, if you will, and give you guys kind of the truth directly from Direct Connection. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, don't forget, hit subscribe. You can find that button right over here, and off we go.
T-minus 15 seconds.
Today's video is being sponsored by our buddies at Ancel. They have a brand new product, which is really cool. A lot of functionality in this. It is their BD310 Bluetooth Scanner. This little guy is super easy to use, and it provides real-time data on the health of your vehicle. This end simply plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port, and right over here is the head unit, which I've actually put right there on the vent via this cool little magnetic clip. One of the great things about this product is you can use it directly from the head unit after you plug it into the OBD2 port, or you can download the Ancel app and use it via Bluetooth. One of the best things about this device, once you achieve connectivity, you've got a lot of diagnostic tools you can use right here. So we'll go into ECU1, you can see vehicle self-check. You can read your trouble codes. There's also performance testing data. You can get trip information. Matter of fact, I'll jump right here into the trip information. It's reading real time what's going on, how long you've been driving the vehicle. We'll actually go back out and we can look at our trouble codes here as well. This particular car is brand new. You can see it has no trouble codes on it, but you could also kind of rescan. You can see right there. Or if you do have codes, you have the option of actually clearing those codes right here. In the event a code does come up, you can use the DTC lookup tool to actually go in, you enter a little bit of information here, and it will provide what that code means. You can do a vehicle self-check by simply selecting this option right here, and all you got to do is click go, and it will do its magic. Once the check is completed, you can see all the different data points that you can get, and it is a lot. You can just kind of scroll down to your heart's content. You can see everything that your vehicle is doing real time. This product will also check the real-time voltage on your battery. Simply select this, and there you go. You can check your battery's health. The device also has some pretty cool performance test features. As you can see, you can test acceleration, braking, and distance. It shows you speed and RPM. The new Ancel BD310 is a really neat little product. I only got to show you a little bit of what this thing will do. Super easy to use, super easy to set up. It's under $80 on Amazon. I will pin a link to where you can buy this in the comments section down below, and on we go with the video. If you truly consider yourself to be a performance-oriented enthusiast, then the thought of adding power under warranty seems pretty appealing. It certainly does to me. And when Dodge announced that they were going to be doing stage kits for both the Hellcat and the Hellcat Redeye, it got a lot of Hellcat guys really excited. Hey, why can I not add a whole bunch of horsepower to my car and keep my factory warranty? It gets installed at the dealership. Everybody kind of wins. And it really left sort of a bad taste in the mouths of a lot of Scatpack guys, because they said, look, if the Hellcat guys can get a stage kit, why can we not get one for the Scatpack? And I totally get that argument. The issue is this Hemi comes pretty optimized from the factory. Adding power to a 392 is not very easy to do, especially if you're on a budget. So about a year ago, I contacted Direct Connection because so many of you guys were asking me, hey, are the 392 stage kits gonna come? When? All that kind of stuff. So I called my contacts and they said, look, we're not really even developing a 392 stage kit. You know that it's not really worth it. The juice is not worth the squeeze on that car. The 6.4 liter naturally aspirated Hemi, you Scatpack folks out there, and you RT folks, the 5.7 liter Hemi. So many questions. Are they developing a stage kit for you guys? And the answer is no. I'm sorry to tell you guys, but I guess enough people have requested a 392 stage kit that Direct Connection actually took a much closer look at it. And now I'm actually told that they are going to have Direct Connection stage kits coming, but there are kind of some rumors out there about when they're going to be coming. So today it's really all about dispelling some of the rumors about what's going on with Direct Connection and when these kits are actually coming out. So a couple of things about Direct Connection that I wanted to bring to everybody's attention, because somehow some rumors got started about there being 392 kits out there available right now. that simply is not the case. I can confirm this. Direct Connection told me directly, no, we have no 392 stage kits available right now. They are under development, and you can expect those to be available later this summer. When I say later this summer, most likely like August timeframe. That is what they're shooting for right now. But it is exciting that a Scatpack owner, a 392 owner, could add power and keep it under warranty. Because like I said, anytime you're avoiding the warranty, you're avoiding that expensive repair bill. That is a huge win for car people, and we as car people, we love to tinker with things. And one of the other things that happen right now is because of all the turnover at the top, we know that Tim Kuniskis, the CEO of Dodge and Ram, of course, you know, he moved on, he resigned, and now you have a different CEO. I have another video coming on that. But Mark Whitney actually took over the Direct Connection program. I know Mark. I see him at all these events up there at Dodge, and he is a big-time car guy. Mark absolutely loves cars. I fully expect Direct Connection to have some really attractive offerings coming down the pipe very soon based on what I've heard, and they are really taking a hard look at the new Hurricane. I've mentioned in the past, not only do you have a Hurricane standard output, you have a Hurricane high output going in the new Charger, 550, but they are working very diligently on the Cat X, which will be the new drag pack engine. I can't tell you a whole lot more about it, but it's gonna make big power. And then of course, I'm fully expect that they will have maybe another variant that's available from the factory, and you're going to have Direct Connection stage kits for the Hurricane, and I would expect those to make big power. So on the 392 cars, I mean, unless you're throwing a supercharger on the thing, it is just really hard to make good power. You can throw a cam in it and all that kind of stuff, but it's really expensive. Most likely it's going to be bolt-on type stuff. With the Hurricane, you can expect that the Direct Connection stage kits will make big power because you're talking about an inline 6 twin turbo. We all know how much power those can make really with just a tune. So I would expect there to be some awesome stage kits available coming down the pipe. So when that new car hits, the new 6-pack car hits with both the standard output and the high output Hurricane in it, shortly thereafter, they will release stage kits for that car, meaning that, especially if it's all-wheel drive, that car is going to be an absolute monster with like a Direct Connection stage 2 kit. So much so I would believe that it would absolutely blow away the current Redeye Hellcat. And believe me when I tell you this, the car will be unbelievably formidable. Just breathe on a little bit with the Direct Connection kit and keeping your warranty. It is really nice to be able to make a video where basically everything I'm talking about is positive, at least in my mind. So 3 really cool things. You've got Mark Whitney taking over Direct Connection, which I feel like is a really good move. Like I said, I feel like he's going to be a little bit more aggressive with some of the Direct Connection offerings out there. Also, you've got 392 stage kits. We can confirm that those are coming. That's great news because, like I said, for the longest, they told me, no, we're not doing this. Now, at least I can confirm they're doing it, although they're not released just yet. And then, of course, they'll have all sorts of stuff coming out for the new car, the Hurricane. We already know the Direct Connection kits will be available for the electric cars as well. Those will bump up in horsepower depending on if you do stage 1 or stage 2. But Direct Connection is going to have a lot of stuff for us. You've also got the crate engines out there. They'll be running some sales periodically on some of those crate engines out there, like the Demon 170 engine, like the traditional Elephant 426. I mean, they're going to be making these more available for us. So really all good news as far as I'm concerned as a performance enthusiast. So I'm going to keep it pretty short and pretty sweet today. Just a little bit of factual news coming directly from Direct Connection. And I'm really excited about some of the stuff that they have coming down the pipe. Some of the stuff I can't even tell you about yet, but I think a lot of people are going to get pretty excited about it. I fully expect under Mark's leadership that they're going to be giving us a lot of really cool stuff here in the very near future. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will catch you on the next one. So until then, Racerx.